Hi, I'm attorney Mark Davis. Thanks for looking at this video. If you're looking at this video, it probably means you've just started the task of trying to find the best personal injury lawyer to represent you in your case. One of the first things that I do when a client comes to see me is to ask this question. How can I help you? What can I do for you? How can I alleviate your stress? And what are you looking for a lawyer to do for you that will help solve the problems you're confronted with right now? Many of the clients that come to see me have had their lives turned upside down through no fault of their own. Someone has been negligent and injured you or a member of your family, or maybe somebody in your family has even been killed, and you're at a loss as to what to do. All of these matters are new to you, and you're worried, you're confused, and you want somebody you can talk to that you can trust. Our law practice began 37 years ago, and we started a law firm 30 years ago in the Virginia Highlands area of Atlanta. We practiced in the same house for 30 years. Of our 7 lawyers, 6 of us have been super lawyers for many years. We include in our ranks a former president of the Georgia Criminal Defense Lawyers, a former president of the Atlanta Bar Association, and I was formerly the chairman of the board of the Brain Injury Association of Georgia, as well as a board member of that organization, and a board member of the Association of Plaintiffs Trucking Lawyers of America. I've done a lot of teaching over the years of lawyers in trial techniques, young lawyers in law school, young lawyers practicing, and even older lawyers who I've tried to share the expertise I built up over the last 4 decades in such cases as trucking cases, medical malpractice cases, spinal cord injury cases such as paraplegia and quadriplegia or spinal surgery, and traumatic brain injury cases. I like to represent just a select number of cases rather than a high volume. The reason is I want to give you my personal attention. I want to have the time to devote to your case and not delegate your case to a lot of staff members. When you call, you can expect to talk to me personally. I return all my phone calls very promptly. We send you copies of all correspondence that we originate or that we receive from insurance companies or other lawyers. We send you copies of all pleadings. We tell you each step of the way what's going on with your case. Our goal is always to achieve the best possible result for you. Sometimes that involves getting all the information about your case together and presenting it in the best possible light to insurance claims adjusters so that they can see the validity, the severity of your case, and compensate you willingly. If they're not willing to compensate you willingly for a fair value, then we file suit and aggressively pursue the litigation to conclusion. It doesn't always mean if we file suit that we will end up in a jury trial, although in my career I've handled over 100 jury trials and prepared thousands of cases for jury trial. Some cases, when they get close to being on the trial calendar, will settle by mediation or by other ways. But what the insurance companies know and the insurance defense lawyers know is that each case that we handle, we are capable of taking it to trial, and we prepare each case very carefully using the best quality expert witnesses of all types: medical, engineering, aeronautical, brain injury, spinal cord injury, and the like, to present your case. At the end of the day, what we want is for each and every one of our clients to be so satisfied with our services that you will consider us a friend for life, and you will refer your friends, your family to us if they need a lawyer in the future. People don't find me on the back of a bus or on TV. Our cases are generally referred one client at a time by satisfied clients. If you take a look at our website, emarcusdavis.com, you will see a lot of testimonials from satisfied clients, and I would ask you to take a look at that, because these are real people who had real cases who have wanted to express their appreciation about what we've done for them on our website. Feel free to call me and I'll meet you at the office or your home, wherever you choose, at your convenience. No obligation, no cost. And if we handle your case, we'll represent you on a contingent fee basis, meaning if we win, the lawyers are paid. We will advance all costs and expense of your case and recover those at the end of the case. But if we lose the case, you will not owe us any attorney's fees and you will not owe us any expenses. I can tell you that we don't lose many cases. We're very selective about our cases and we try to take cases of merit. And each case is prepared methodically, carefully, and with the utmost care and compassion, bringing all of my 4 decades of experience to bear. At the end of the day, if we meet and you feel that we would be a good fit, I'd be honored to represent you and your family and work together to achieve the best possible outcome for you and try to put your life back in order. Thank you for your time. I look forward to meeting you.